Hola a todos. Hello, everyone. It's Rita Verreos coming to you live from a special anniversary event right here at Stadia Med Spa, right here on Latin Connection TV. And joining me to my right is the very dapper, handsome, and extremely talented Dr. Jaime Garza. Jaime, bienvenido.
Gracias, Rita.
De nada, Jaime. I have to give a little bit of an intro. I get to thank you in front of all my Latin Connection TV viewers for having me. And the reason we're celebrating today is the 5th year anniversary of Stadia Med Spa, for which I get to thank you in front of everybody for having me. What an honor to be your spokesperson, one of your spokespeople for Stadia Med Spa. It's been a pleasure and an honor. And I'm going to give you a shameless plug here. The best, the tool that I use here, the product that I use here, and I don't mind sharing that, is your laser hair removal. The best in San Antonio. I love it. Like I told you earlier, I come with like few hairs left and I don't care. As long as I get to use your laser hair removal, the top of the line technicians you will find for any procedure right here at Stadia Med Spa. There's your little very proud and shameless plug, but I want to ask you, in fact, speaking of products, what are some of the things that you have currently going on that you might want to promote with our viewers on Latin Connection TV?
Well, thank you, Rita, first of all. Thanks for the introduction, and we're so honored to have you as our spokesperson. You're lovely.
Ay, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias.
The whole premise of my medical spa complements my plastic surgery practice. My practice is, you well know, I believe in natural elegance, natural beauty. We don't hype products here. Things that we offer at my medical spa, again, complements what I do in my plastic surgery practice. Things that are safe, things that are scientifically proven to work. We're not here to separate people from their pocketbooks. I'm here to give results.
To enhance, and in fact, we were talking a little bit earlier that your service is going from, and I'm glad that you mentioned that. I did preface by saying that he is a doctor. He is one of the top, if not the best, plastic surgeon here in San Antonio. And one of the reasons is for that, because the results that he gives for both men and women are natural results. It's about complementing and highlighting what we naturally have. And that's what I have also witnessed in all of the patients that I have seen. And the work that Dr. Garza does is highlighting and making what you already have naturally even better. And name some of the products that you have currently, because I know that we also promote once in a while a lot of talks that you have here that are highlighting these new procedures, because that's another thing that Dr. Garza does. You stay right on top of the vanguard of what is currently going on and even ahead of things. So I want you to talk about maybe some of those new things that are going on right now.
Well, one of the things that we see most often here, because we're in South Texas, we have a multicultural patient population. Those of us with olive skin have some real problems with hyperpigmentation, brown spots, and they're caused by all sorts of different things. Hormones, sun exposure, injury, damage to the skin from the sun, damage to the skin from laser treatments. So there's a specific protocol that we use here. I have a wonderful dermatologist, Dr. Verna Gonzalez, who's actually just joined me on the aesthetic side of our practice. We gear our treatments to, number one, preventing those dark spots from occurring, also to get rid of them and then help you maintain that clear, clean appearance of the face, to keep those from coming back. We educate our patients about everything that we do for them.
So earlier we were talking about all the different procedures that you can find here at Stadia Med Spa, and we have one extremely innovative one that Dr. Garza is going to tell us about right now.
Sciton, S-C-I-T-O-N, is one of the leaders in the laser world. They have a system that's called the BBL, which is essentially a very advanced photofacial. It's a pulsed light treatment. It's a light, it's not a laser, that affects the dark spots and red spots on your face. Been around for a long time, photofacials. BBL is an advancement on that technology. The exciting news is that the Department of Dermatology at Stanford University, this is not hype, this is science, and that's what this place is about. I'm a physician, and I want to present to my patients things that actually work. The BBL, Sciton's BBL, has actually been shown after a series of treatments to actually reverse DNA damage, genetic DNA damage that has occurred because of the sun. Sun damage, UVA, UVB rays damage our DNA, and that's what ages us. This has actually shown the ability to reverse some of those damages.
And may I interject? We are in a city where we do get a lot of sun.
No question. There's no question. And as with anything else, again, if you have an olive tone to your skin, you have to be very, very careful with any treatment because it can cause darkening. We have a system here and a protocol that we use to prevent that. Some pre-treatment before the BBL, post-treatment after. The results are fabulous.
And this is how fantastic Dr. Garza is. We're going to now together give a shout out to our champions. They're still our champions, the Spurs, right?
Absolutely.
Go Spurs, go! And the reason I say that is because this is the caliber of work that Dr. Garza does, that he is, am I right, one of the official...
Well, I'm one of the consultants for the San Antonio Spurs. Absolutely, as are most of the physicians in this building.
This facility, because we are nearby where the we won't give out where. But anyhow, they do frequent here, and in your case, you treat any facial injuries that the Spurs may have.
Sure. The reconstructive part of my practice is I specialize in facial injuries, particularly in athletes.
So there you go. It's not just for women. You would assume that a Stadia Med Spa is just for women. It is not, folks. Latin Connection TV viewers, we want you to know that all of you can come out here for a variety of services. And where can we send them to? I know we have a website, but I'm going to let you give that out.
Sure. The website is stadiamedspa.com. You can also go to garzaplasticsurgery.com. We're actually launching a new website at the end of this month, which is going to be a little bit more inclusive of the stuff that we do here.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations. Our blessings, that continued blessings for this continued success at Stadia Med Spa. Thank you so much. Once again, I started by saying thank you for having me as your spokesperson, and by saying thank you for continuing to have me. And as you can see, I humbly say Dr. Garza is helping me to continue to look natural and youthful. And thank you so much once again. And for your time today, happy 5th anniversary.
Thank you, Rita, and thank you.